OpenAI just started showing ads inside ChatGPT. Anthropic just raised $30 billion and is now valued at $380 billion. China launched the world's first humanoid robot combat league. Elon Musk's top AI co-founders just quit xAI. OpenAI accused DeepSeek of stealing their models. We have a new Chinese best image generator that generates realistic images better than Google Nano Banana, and a new AI model that can transfer genuine 3D motion from a given driving video to a reference character, and a lot more. So let's jump right in. First up, OpenAI just started putting ads in ChatGPT. According to an official announcement from OpenAI, the company is now testing advertisements directly inside ChatGPT conversations. Here's how it looks. You're asking ChatGPT to help, and between responses or at the end, you might see an ad. OpenAI says the ads will be tasteful and relevant. But when ChatGPT launched, Sam Altman once said, "We're not like Google. We don't sell your data. We don't interrupt you with ads." Next up, OpenAI just accused China's DeepSeek of stealing their models. According to reports, OpenAI sent an internal memo to employees claiming that DeepSeek trained its AI by distilling US models. Distillation means when you take a powerful AI model and use it to train a smaller, cheaper model. And OpenAI is accusing DeepSeek of doing exactly that. They claim DeepSeek used ChatGPT, Claude, and other US models to train their own AI without permission. But DeepSeek denies everything. They say their models are trained on publicly available data and built everything from scratch. The truth? We don't know. So what do you guys think about this? Next up, Sam Altman just told OpenAI employees that ChatGPT growth is re-accelerating, and the company is about to close a $100 billion funding round. According to CNBC, Altman sent an internal message claiming that ChatGPT usage is climbing faster than ever, but he didn't share exact numbers. Next up, Anthropic just closed $30 billion at a $380 billion valuation. That makes Anthropic more valuable than McDonald's, Nike, and Intel combined. According to an official announcement from Anthropic, the Series G funding round was led by GIC and Co2, and it included investments from some of the biggest names in finance: BlackRock, Fidelity, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs. Everyone is betting on Anthropic because Anthropic run rate revenue is now $14 billion a year. It's growing over 10 times annually, and the number of customers spending over $100,000 a year on Claude has grown 7 times in the past year. But here's the crazy part. 2 years ago, Anthropic had zero revenue. Now they're doing $14 billion a year. That's insane. Over 500 companies now spend more than $1 million a year on Claude. Meanwhile, Elon Musk is trolling Anthropic on X. Musk responded to Anthropic's $30 billion funding announcement with a series of sarcastic tweets. He said, "Your AI hates whites and Asians, especially Chinese, heterosexuals, and men. This is misanthropic and evil. Fix it." Frankly, I don't think there is anything you can do to escape the inevitable irony of Anthropic ending up being misanthropic. You were doomed to this fate when you chose your name, the name of the wind. As of now, Anthropic hasn't responded. Either way, it's free publicity for both companies. But Elon Musk just lost 2 of his top AI co-founders. Both co-founders, Tony Wu and Jimmy Ba, posted on X that they both left xAI. Tony Wu was a founding member of xAI. Jimmy Ba was one of the lead scientists. According to their departure statements, both cited differences in vision with Elon Musk. They didn't elaborate, but reading between the lines, it's clear there was tension. Next up, OpenAI finally retired their most popular models, and users are furious. According to announcements on X, OpenAI removed GPT-5, GPT-4o, GPT-4.1, GPT-4.1 Mini, and O4 Mini from ChatGPT. But a lot of users prefer the older models. Some say GPT-4o is more accurate for coding. Others say GPT-5 is better for creative writing. And now, those options are gone. OpenAI says the new models are better across the board, but users aren't convinced. What's your take on this? Comment down below. Next up, China just launched the world's first humanoid robot combat league, and they're giving away free fighting robots. According to reports, China unveiled the ultimate robot knockout legend in Shenzhen this week. Humanoid robots fighting each other in an arena for a $1.44 million prize. Any team that enters the competition gets a T-800 robot from a company called Engine AI for free. The idea is simple. If you want robots to get better at fighting, you need lots of people testing them in real-world combat. The league will run through December 2026, and the winning team gets a gold championship belt worth $1.44 million. Next up, ByteDance is building its own AI chip, and they're talking to Samsung about manufacturing. ByteDance is developing a custom AI chip to power TikTok's recommendation recommendation algorithm, and other AI products. The ByteDance chip is expected to launch in 2027. Next up, Meta set up a $10 billion data center in Indiana. According to Reuters and Meta's official announcement, the facility will be one of the largest AI data centers in the world. It'll power Meta AI, WhatsApp AI, and Instagram's recommendation algorithms, and it'll create thousands of jobs. Also, France's Mistral AI just invested $1.4 billion in Sweden to build data centers. According to Reuters, Mistral is constructing massive AI training facilities in Sweden to power its open-source AI models. But why in Sweden? Because it's cold, and data centers generate a lot of heat. In Sweden, natural cooling reduces energy costs by up to 40%. Next up, it's called DreamDojo, and it's a world model for robots. What's a world model? It's an AI that understands how the physical world works. DreamDojo learned by watching videos, and robots using DreamDojo can predict what will happen next. This is huge. NVIDIA says DreamDojo will accelerate robotics development by years. DreamDojo is open source, and anyone can use it. Next up, Google just upgraded Gemini. It's called Gemini 3 DeepThink, and according to Google's official blog post, DeepThink is built to drive practical applications, enabling researchers to interpret complex data and engineers to model physical systems through code. Also, with the updated DeepThink, you can turn a sketch into a 3D printable reality. DeepThink analyzes the drawing, builds the complex shape, and generates a file so you can create the physical object with 3D printing. Google AI Ultra subscribers can access DeepThink now. Next up, Runway just raised $315 million at a $5.3 billion valuation. According to Runway's official announcement, the Series E funding round was led by General Atlantic. Runway says this funding will go toward pre-training the next generation of world models. Next up, a Chinese AI lab just dropped an open-source model that's crushing everything. It's called GLM-5. According to their blog post, GLM-5 is designed for agentic engineering. It understands entire systems. It can build applications from scratch, debug complex architectures, and refactor legacy code. Early benchmarks show it's competitive with GPT 5.2, Claude, and Gemini, and it's completely free. This is the open source revolution, and China is leading it. Next up, Alibaba just broke 16 robotics records. According to reports, RyunBrain tops Google and NVIDIA's AI models in robotics benchmarks. It can control humanoid robots with unprecedented precision, balance, coordination, object manipulation, all of it. Alibaba is positioning RyunBrain as the brain for next-generation robots, and it's working. But here's a reality check. Harvard just published a study saying AI tools don't reduce work. They expand it. According to research from Harvard and UC Berkeley, employees using AI report longer hours because AI makes it easier to do more, so managers assign more tasks, and workers end up working harder. Next up, Anthropic just made a promise. They'll cover electricity price increases caused by their data centers. Anthropic will shield local ratepayers from cost spikes. This follows similar pledges from Microsoft and OpenAI, and it's also necessary because communities are pushing back against data centers, and companies need public support. Next up, Cisco just announced a new chip for AI data centers. It's called Silicon One G300, and according to Cisco's investor announcement, it's designed to power AI workloads in the agentic era. Cisco believes the next phase of AI is agents. Cisco is positioning this as the backbone of the AI economy, and they're targeting enterprises. Next up, YouTube Premium just added an AI playlist feature, and it's actually pretty cool. YouTube Premium subscribers can now ask AI to create custom playlists. Just type, "Make me a playlist of 90s hip-hop with a chill vibe." AI scans millions of songs and builds a playlist tailored to your request. Next up, Pony.ai and Toyota just announced they're deploying 1,000 self-driving electric SUVs for Robotaxi service. The vehicles are based on Toyota's electric SUV platform. Pony.ai is the company behind the self-driving tech. The 1,000 Robotaxis will launch in major cities across Asia. 1,000 vehicles is a massive deployment, so Pony.ai is becoming one of the largest robotaxi operators in the world. Next up, a Belgian startup just proposed something wild, turning electric semi-trucks into mobile AI data centers. The startup argues that electric trucks have massive battery capacity, and when they're parked, that capacity is wasted. So why not use it to run AI workloads? When the truck is driving, it delivers goods. When it's parked, it becomes a data center, and it gets paid for both delivery revenue plus compute revenue. The startup claims this could make electric trucks profitable faster because battery costs are the biggest barrier to adoption. Is this realistic? Maybe, but the logistics are complicated. Still, it's an interesting concept. Next up, ElevenLabs just launched Audiobooks. ElevenLabs' new feature, called Audiobooks, lets you upload any book, and AI narrates it in any voice. Next up, Meta just added a fun new feature. You can now animate your Facebook profile picture with AI. It adds subtle movements, hair blowing in the wind, eyes blinking, smiling, all of it. The effect is surprisingly good. Next up, Alibaba's Qwen team just dropped a new image generation model. It's called Qwen Image 2.0, and according to their official blog post and posts on X, it's designed for two things: professional infographics and exquisite photorealism. Let me show you what that means. For infographics, Qwen Image 2.0 can generate charts, diagrams, and data visualizations. You describe the data, and it generates a perfectly formatted infographic with labels, with colors, with professional design. Looks like it came from a design agency, but it's AI generated. For photorealism, Qwen Image 2.0 is competing with Midjourney and DALL-E, and early results show it's winning. The lighting is better, the textures are more realistic, and the composition is more natural. Every detail is perfect. It's indistinguishable from a real photo. This is the new standard for AI image generation, and Alibaba is giving it away for free. It's open source, available on Hugging Face, and anyone can use it. Finally, Anthropic just donated $20 million to a political group, one that's pushing for AI regulation. Anthropic is donating to Public First Action, a group that lobbies for responsible AI policy. Why is Anthropic doing this? Because they believe regulation is inevitable, and they want to shape it. Right now, AI regulation is a mess. Europe has the EU AI Act. China has strict government oversight. The US has nothing. No federal laws, no clear guidelines, no enforcement. It's the Wild West, and that's a problem, because without regulation, bad actors will exploit AI. Deepfakes, misinformation, autonomous weapons, all of it. So Anthropic is getting ahead of the curve. Next up, this AI video generation called context forcing generates 1-minute-long videos without losing consistency. You ask it to generate a 60-second video. Context forcing enables AI to remember 20-plus seconds of context. That's 2 to 10 times longer than current methods from other open-source models. Let me show you some examples from their project page. First example, a dynamic first-person view of an artist sketching in a notebook. The pencil moves smoothly across the page, and the artist's focused expression stays consistent. The background is blurred and remains stable throughout the entire 60-second clip. Second example, a bustling downtown street at dusk, and so on. And here is the result. Cars and pedestrians move through the scene, and for 60 full seconds, everything stays consistent. The researchers tested context forcing against every major baseline, and context forcing beat all of them. But still, it is not 100% accurate and perfect, but achieving consistency across the whole 1 minute is huge. Context forcing is open source. The code will be released on GitHub soon, and anyone can use it. This is the future of AI video generator. Next up, this open source AI model is insane. It's called OmnimatteZero, and it can remove objects from videos, along with their shadows and reflections, in real time. OmnimatteZero is the first training-free generative approach for Omnimat. It achieves real-time performance at just 0.04 seconds per frame. That's 25 frames per second on an A100 GPU. For comparison, previous methods took minutes per frame. OmnimatteZero is 100 times faster. Let me show you some examples. OmnimatteZero removes the person, and it also removes the shadow. Here, it removes the cat from the video, the walking person from the beach, and so many other examples here. It can also remove multiple objects, like removing 4 puppies from this video. This is insane. OmnimatteZero can composite objects onto new videos. You extract a person from one video with their shadow and reflection intact. Then, you place them in a completely different video. Here is a perfect example. OmnimatteZero extracts foreground objects along with their effects from the input video, and then the foreground layers can easily be composed on other video layers. The best part is OmnimatteZero is open source. The code is available on GitHub right now, and you can try it yourself. Next up, a Chinese team dropped something that changes everything about human motion control in AI video. It's called 3DIMO, and it can transfer real 3D motion from one video to another while letting you control the camera angle. This is the video with the motion you want to transfer. It extracts the motion, and it generates a new video with that motion, but from whatever camera angle you specify. Let me show you some examples from the project page. Example 1, a dancer performing steps, and the video is filmed only from the front, but 3DIMO generates a new video with that same motion in 3 different camera angles. There are lots of other examples here. You can animate any character from a source motion video. 3DIMO crushed them all. The best part, 3DIMO can be combined with text prompts for camera control. 3DIMO is currently in the research phase. The code will be released soon, and when it does, I will definitely let you know. So that's all the highlights in AI this week. Let me know in the comments what you think of all of this. Which piece of news was your favorite, and which tool are you most looking forward to trying out? As always, I will be on the lookout for the top AI news and tools to share with you. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.